Welcome to Foxtecc. In this video, I'll show you how to manage your iCloud storage on the iPad so you can stay organized and avoid running out of space. iCloud storage is virtual storage that comes with every Apple account. Everyone gets 5 gigabytes for free, and it's used to back up things like your photos, messages, app data, and device backups. To check how you're using it, open the Settings app and tap your name at the very top. Then tap on iCloud to view your storage details and available options. From there, tap Manage Account Storage. This will show you a breakdown of what's using your space, things like photos, backups, messages, and other synced data. Go through the list to see which apps or services are taking up the most storage. If you want to save space, you can turn off syncing for certain things like photos or documents. Each item in the list can be tapped for more options. You can delete old device backups you don't need anymore. Stop syncing app data that isn't useful to you. This helps free up storage and keeps things cleaner in the long run. It's a good idea to check this section regularly so you don't suddenly run out of space without noticing. If 5 gigabytes isn't enough, you can buy more storage through iCloud for a monthly fee. Just keep in mind that once you upgrade, you'll need to keep paying every month as long as you're using the extra space. There's no permanent unlock. It's more like renting the storage. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more straightforward iPad tips. See you later.